Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. Then here we've got the wallpaper section, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. Here we've got also more wallpapers, so you can tap on them, tap on this option, agree and continue, and then you will be transferred to online wallpapers from which you can choose. So it's of course up to you. And after finding the wallpaper, simply tap on it, maybe this one, and it will appear on the full screen. So now you can tap on apply to and decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it and tap on apply in the right upper corner. Here you can also apply the wallpaper colors to the system, so let me quickly show you how it works. We have to tap on wallpaper colors, and here we've got those which are, let's say, taken from the wallpaper. You can check the preview of the colors right here, or you can enter the custom option, got it, and choose the colors manually. It's totally up to you, and then confirm it with OK. So this is how it works. Let's go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.